Hello everybody, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever how. Welcome back to the channel guys. Today in this video, I'm just exploring one of the most effective way, and that is start speaking in English. Yes guys, if you not come to speak this language, there is a less possibility is you never able to speak this language fluently. So anyhow, you have to comes to speak this language. And yes, if you started speaking in this language, there is a less possibility you will be able to speak this language within a short of period time very fluently. So if you are still struggling taking this language, and if you still struggling to taking English and you are not able to speak this language fluently, so this video is for you. I just request all of you guys, please watch this video till the end and learn something new from our videos. Please watch this video till the end. At the end of this video, you will be better understand how does work actually to improve your English. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. So the first technique is that you have to start with simple sentences. Yes, for example, just you meet your friend and just say, "Hey bro, how are you?" Then make a small conversation with them. No problem, you are making basic conversation, it is okay for beginner, and that is the way toward this language. If you want to dive into the English word, so before diving into the English word, you just have to know the basic concept about this language. There is a one way, and yes, I'm sure about that you know already about basic sentences and basic English. So there is a one way to enter this language. So if you are able to making basic conversation, so what's happened with you, your subconscious mind is started thinking in this particular language. And yes guys, once your subconscious mind is started working in this particular language, there is a less possibilities that your mind is also started thinking in this language. And once you able to thinking in English, there is a less possibility you will be automatically able to speak this language very fluently within a short of period time. Yes guys, so the first you have to immerse yourself in this particular language. Immerse yourself in English surrounding. Make your surround with English. For example, just whatever you watching in your phone, just watch in English. Whatever you listening from your phone, just listen in English. Yes, there is a one way to immerse ourselves in English. Once you are able to immerse yourself in this particular field, then you can see the result in yourself. So guys, there is a one way to improve ourselves. You can learn this language by yourself. You don't need to join any coaching and join any courses. Yes, first you have to define your vision. Why should it is important for me? If I learn this language, which kind of benefit I get after learning this language? You just have to ask this question to yourself. Then after your subconscious mind automatically started answer you, and once your answer is clear, your goal is clear, then automatically your mind again and again give instruction to you, just work on it. When I was in my learning stage, I'm also struggling to learn this language, but now within a short of period time, yes, within a 6 month, I just learned this language from zero to that time within a 6 month. Guys, if you are spending your 6 month 1 year, lots of students are already spent their 6 month 8 month, but still now that time they are not able to speak very fluently. Why? Because they never tried to speak this language. When you comes to speak this language, you don't have to focus in your surrounding people. They make fun of you, but you don't focus on that person, on these people. Why? Because you on your learning stage, and when anyone was in their learning stage, they are making mistake. Even I am also, when I was in my learning stage, I also make lots of mistake. But now I'm just not. I never focus on my surrounding people, because they make fun of me. Yeah, it's okay. They call me Angrez ki aulad. Okay, no problem. I'm accept their all words. But I just focus on myself. I just focus to improve myself, and I just focus to improve my English. Now that time, I'm also learning this language. I know about that. I'm also not able to speak this language very fluently. Via this channel, I just share with you my personal experiences, and as well as I share my personal journey that I learn in my learning stage. As a beginner, you just have to read small story book. This is also effective way. When I was in my learning stage, I'm also reading this kind of books. For reading, I just suggest you one thing. If you have Google library application, so please install. If you have, it is okay, but you not install this application, so please go on Play Store and just install it and just search on it simple English story book. Then after, just download this book and start reading. This is also improve your vocabulary and sentence construction methods. Yes, now that time recently I started this way, because when I was started my English speaking journey, I'm not focused to reading this all concept, but now after gradually I realized that I have to just focus on reading as well, because my vocabulary very weak now that time, but gradually I improving my vocabulary. So guys, if you feel yourself in a weak vocabulary, so please read some books. There is a one way to improve your vocabulary and sentence construction method. Yes, and another way is, whatever you like to listen, whatever you like to watch, just watch in English. Yes, I hope guys you enjoyed this video. If I make any kind of mistake while explaining, while speaking, while everywhere, so please forgive me, because I'm also in my learning stage. One more thing is that a learner can make mistake while their learning stage, but I'm just focusing on my mistake and just I recover this all mistake in my next video. So I'm also trying to improve my English, because now that time I'm not able to speak this language very flawlessly, and I just want to little fluent in this language. That's why I'm trying to learn this language. So anyway, you still not subscribe our channel, so please guys, I request you, all of you, please subscribe it, because it is a play very significant role to your English speaking journey. And yes, as well as press the bell icon, because when I will upload my video, you get instant notification. Thanks for watching till the end. See you soon. Bye bye. Take care.